at Bear. She has adjusted to being a travel doggy so well. Yes. Huh, Bear Bear. Now she knows we're not taking her somewhere to leave her.
Yep. She's a happy dog. It's a very good girl.
So they took her temperature and it was fine.
Sit.
And they just weighed her.
Sit.
And it was 74.6. Which could very well be what she was. I mean, our weighing system isn't foolproof. We had her at 74.5.
Yeah.
So
She's doing good. And that was just 3 days ago. So.
yeah, baby. She probably doesn't even know she has an owie on her tummy.
Probably not.
But we know. And we don't want it to get worse, so get them to take a look at it, huh, baby girl? But boy, she didn't want either one of us out of her sight, that's for sure. Coming into a place like this.
Nope.
She's like, don't leave me again. Hi, honey. You sure were happy when they brought you back and you saw Mommy and Daddy were still here, huh?
Good girl. Oh, look at Bear up on Mommy's lap.
She made her way up.
Oh, baby Bear.
She is a lap puppy. If we had a couch, she'd be on it all the time with us.
But we don't have a couch anymore.
No, because you got rid of it.
Because you made... Hey!
I said it first. Hi. Good morning. Are you a happy girl? Oh, yes, you're a happy girl. Yes, you're a happy girl. Oh.
Are you happy? Baby Bear. That's a pretty baby.
Yes.
That's a pretty baby. So, here we are for our morning walk today with our new little bear. Hi, Bear. Hi, baby. Want to go walking? Okay, this is why we think they called her Bear. Boom, 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 boom.
Daddy making fun of you, baby.
Hey, Bear. How you doing? Okay, so we're out with Bear. We're walking with Bear. Wait a minute. What's going on?
She's a camp host doggy.
What the heck?
She got tired, Daddy.
What are you doing riding? Huh? What are you doing riding? Okay,
I'm tired.
I see how this game's played. I get a walk, you get a ride.
Camp host dog. I went from imprisonment to the life of luxury. Huh. Luxury and travel.
Bear's first Christmas.
What is it?
What is that, Bear?
What is it? Sit. There you go. Here. What's in there? What's in there?
Get it, Bear.
Huh?
Get it.
What's in there? Look. Is this yours? Is this for you? What is it? Kaylee's like, where's mine? What is that?
Oh, boy.
There, look. Your very own stocking full of goodies. Look at that. Can you smell it?
Oh, boy.
Can you smell it? Wow, look at all those goodies.
She should get a treat right now.
Aw, the bear.
She's like, what else is in here? Okay.
Look at her, she's nibbling it.
Maybe I'll just chew this paper.
Kaylee's like, where's my present?
What up, Kaylee?
Where's your Christmas
Where's
present?
your Christmas present?
Ooh, there's Kaylee's.
Bear's like, oh, I'll take some of that. Sounds like funny catnip.
Don't tell Kaylee what's in there.
What you got, Bear?
What's in here?
What's in there, Bear? Oh, boy.
Ooh.
Oh.
You need a picture of that.
Bear. She's like, okay, I'm gone. I'm down for the count. There's my toys.
Mom, you have to put this away where you can't get to it.
But
it's
that's
mine.
but that's for me.
But it's mine.
That's my stocking.
Oh, look at Bear. Kaylee.
Oh, I think she stuck her nose on the lens.
Uh-oh.
Are you tired of walking? Good girl. This is the hardest video that I have ever had to put together, but I wanted to do it so I could bring the story full circle to you. We started full-timing in September of 2015. There was 4 of us: Lori, Kaylee, Daisy, and myself. Daisy was our collie. And Daisy crossed the Rainbow Bridge in October of 2017. We truly believe that Daisy sent Bear to us a year later in October of 2018. Last summer, July of 2023, Bear was diagnosed with cancer and given the possibility of maybe 6 months to live. Our baby Bear stuck around for a full extra year and helped us get through Lori's sickness this past summer. Bear was more than just a dog. She was a true companion. Bear was in my arms as she left us and crossed the Rainbow Bridge, Saturday, August 10th, 2024. It's been a very difficult summer for us. Lori, Kaylee, and I felt we needed to say, "See ya later, Bear," with this tribute. I hope you like it. See ya, Bear. We love you.
Are we ready, Bear? Daddy took off without you, huh?
Like a stalker.
Daddy, Bear, did Daddy take off without you? Huh? Is it time? Is it time to go have breakfast? Huh? Wanna go have breakfast? I can't grab that. Okay, Bear.
Let's go. You ready? Come on, Lord, now. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. Good night. Let's take this off. It's too hot. Pretty girl. You ready to go? Let's go. All right, come on. Such a good girl to wait. Come on.
So lately, at lunchtime, we've been giving Bear some green beans, so she feels like she's eating when we're eating. And we give her food in the morning and at dinner time, but then at lunch, we give her green beans. because that was what was recommended to us.
She started the first day, she ate them out of the bowl. The second day, she ate a couple out of the bowl. Third day, she didn't want anything to do with it unless I fed them to her one at a time, and then she makes a face when she eats them. You have to eat all your green beans. Hey, one more bite. Last one.
If Daddy feeds them to her one by one, they're treats.
Yeah. That was good,
Good
wasn't
girl.
it? Good girl. That weight is just falling off of you, isn't it?
She's like, yeah, this sucks. Now you need a drink of water, huh? And this dog also will drink on demand when Tom says, go get a drink. Go get a drink of water. Go follow Daddy. Where's Daddy? Go get him. Go get Daddy. Where is he? Go get him. No? Pretty girl.
"10 years ago, I was on my way home. Saw her walk on the side of the highway alone. It was raining like hell, and I kept telling myself, not my problem. Keep on driving just like everybody else. Why should I be the one pulling over on the shoulder at night? It's just a dog, right? From the cab of my truck to the foot of my bed, to a new pair of boots that she chewed into shreds, digging holes in the yard and chasing cars down the street till one got her. And when I found her, you'd have thought it hit me. It took half of my savings to save her, and I didn't think twice. It's just a dog, right? Just an old mutt riding shotgun, getting my seats all muddy. Just the one who I come home to, just my best fishing buddy. We were walking that spring in the sand on the beach. You know she was the reason Amy walked up to me. She lost her place on the couch, but she kept her cool, 'cause she was crazy about Amy, and she knew I was too. And the night that girl left me, she kept me from losing my mind. But it's just a dog, right? It's 83 degrees today, and man, I can hardly wait to get this truck down to the lake. I bet the bass are hitting boats in my rearview mirror. Got my tackle box and all my gear. The wind is right, the sky is clear. There's only one thing missing.
Hey, pretty girl. Bear.
Just an old
Is it time for breakfast?
Again.
riding shotgun,
Ready?
getting my
Set.
seats
Go.
all muddy.
Stretch.
It just hit me.
You want your own
Downward
She's
dog.
down
Want your own
with
cup
me,
of coffee? Huh? Wiggle butt.
Says no.
Come on.
like she was.
Only if I have mommy's kind.
Let's go.
Why am I pulling over on the shoulder
Okay.
with tears in my eyes. It's just a dog, right? She was just a dog, right?